Hey for beauties, it's Steph here, and today we get to talk about one of the best times of the year, which is summer. I'm so excited for summertime, and I love summertime trends, all the different glam that people come up with. There are so many makeup trends going around right now, especially for the summer, so I went ahead and chose some of my favorites that I'm personally going to be applying to my makeup routine, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this sun-kissed glow and the rest of this glam. So if you guys want to see how I came up with it, be sure to keep on watching. Let's go ahead and get on into some summer trends. So for me, it's definitely feeling like summer where I live. I accidentally got a little bit sunburnt earlier today. So let's go ahead and cover this up. My skin needs some quenching. So let's go ahead and hydrate it with some Renewal Treatment Oil. If you guys haven't tried this out yet, it is so amazing. It's so soothing for the skin. So this summer, a lot of people are just going full on minimalistic with their makeup, dewy, glowy skin, and the Renewal Treatment Oil truly helps you glow from within. So this meshes really well with your foundation, or if you just want to wear it on your skin by itself, it gives you that beautiful glow while just hydrating your skin so well. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to some primer right now. You could just go in straight with some foundation, but I'm gonna go in and just add a tad more moisture with some Cool as a Cucumber primer. I love this stuff. It is amazing, especially for summer. If you've got that hot temperature around you, it's just so cooling, especially when you're putting it on, and it truly helps to hydrate and grip all of your makeup on all day. So let's go ahead and pop some of this primer on, and then I'm gonna move on to some foundation and concealer. Now that my base is set, we're gonna go ahead and get into some contouring and chisel up these cheeks with the all new Face It palette. I am obsessed with this lately. We've got a cool tone contour shade, Star Island as the highlight, and a warm toned bronzer with some beautiful reflects in it, and it is just the perfect contour palette because it's got everything you need. You know we gotta start with that cool toned contour shade, so I'm gonna go in right now and start chiseling out these cheeks. I know a lot of us out there have been pretty used to just the standard following up the cheekbone contour, but lately a lot of people have been getting into the style of going up the face for a more lifted effect. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go in with the cool toned bronzer and just go up the face. I'm going to be blending that into the hairline too, so there's no line of demarcation. And I'm just going to blend that up my temples and onto my forehead. A big part of this trend has been to not really focus too much product on the inside of your face. It's all focusing on the outsides of it, so it really lifts it up and just snatches you even more. So the contour shade I was using was Key West, and now we're going into the bronzer. It's a light sunny bronzer called Isla Morada, and I'm going to be popping that on with a fluffy brush right on top of where I laid that original contour on to add a little bit more of that warmth to my face. I love that there's a little bit of shimmer in Isla Morada, this bronzer shade that I'm using right now, because it adds a beautiful summer bronzy glow to the face, and it is just perfect for this super glowy trend that we've got going on right now. Before I move on any further, I'm gonna go in with some makeup fixer real quick to lock all of this goodness in, and then it's gonna create the perfect base for some highlights. So let's go ahead and spritz this face up. So again, the highlight in the Face It light palette is gonna be Star Island, which is one of my personal favorites. Just gonna go in, swirl the brush, pop that onto the nose first. That's my favorite part. And then I am just gonna be popping that onto my cheeks, going all the way at my cheekbone, just so then every single time I turn, there's always a part of the light catching on the face. And I'm gonna go right on top of my brow bone as well. You wanna hit all the spots. And then same thing on this side. Right on top of the cheekbone, all the way up, right on top of the brow bone, and we'll add just a little bit onto my Cupid's bow as well. Now that my skin is feeling sun-kissed and so glowy, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes. I am going into a classic, the Beachside Signature palette, and we have a very popular trend that I've been seeing lately, which is just a bright matte colored eye. So bright yellow from the Beachside palette, of course, came to mind right away, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with a flat top brush and pack bright yellow all over my lids. I just went in and curled my lashes. Now we are going into some HD Volumizing mascara. When I'm applying the mascara, I like to literally just blink every single time I go in for a pass. It just really helps to separate the lashes, coat them evenly, and it also helps me get from the root all the way to the tippy top of the lash. For lips, I'm gonna be going into the mini lip set. This is the Everyday Nudes Volume 2. It is literally the cutest thing in the entire world. With Ofra's little mini products, like, I just need to have all of them because, like, look at these little mini lipsticks. Like, they are the cutest things in the world. You know, it's summer. We want to have a long-lasting liquid lipstick because we don't want to be reapplying all day. We just want to be looking cute and glam and not have to worry about it coming off. So that's why the Ofra liquid lipsticks come in clutch. I'm going to be going into the shade Manila, which is a neutral nude. It's a beautiful color for the summer, so let's go ahead and pop this on. So lips are on. There's just one more thing that we need to complete this entire look. It is the #1 trend of the summer. It is so huge right now, #1 on everybody's list, and that's gonna be blush. There's something about blush that just makes you feel so powerful. It adds such a beautiful color to the face, and I just can't do a look without it. Now, of course, Ofra came in clutch this year with their blush releases. We have the amazing Blush-Sir. I'm gonna be using the shade Unit today. There's a couple of shades in the Ride or Die collection, and it is just amazing. If you're on the go and you want to mix and match, you have a bronzer, you have a blush, and you also have a unique shade when you mix the two of them. So I love me some of these Blush-Sirs. They're amazing, and they also came out with some cream blushes as well. Today we're going to be using the blush side of the Unit Blush-Sir, and I'm just going to be popping that right onto my cheekbones, and then we'll be done with this entire look. Alright, Ofra Beauties, well, this is officially the finished look. I hope you guys love it. I'm so excited to see what other trends and new things come out of this summer. I just know it's going to be a good one. I can feel it. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up right down there, and also don't forget to subscribe to Ofra's YouTube channel if you guys haven't already. Don't forget, you guys can always use code Steph for some extra money off, and everything featured in this video today you can find on ofracosmetics.com, and everything you need to know will be down in the description box. I love you all so much. I hope you have an amazing day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next one.